Welcome to another episode on African Grants Connect, where we explore nature, awareness, and the hidden gems across Africa. Today, we are at one of Lagos' most iconic ecotourism spots, the Lekki Conservation Centre. From the entrance, you are immediately surrounded by trees, quiet and calm. The journey begins on a long wooden path that stretches into the forest. But it's not just a walkway, it's a gentle build-up to something deeper. Along the trail, you'll find codes guiding the way. Each step forward invites you to pause, think, and align with nature. Not long after, the silence is broken by monkeys, wide, bold, and in their natural space. Watching them reminds you, this isn't a zoo, this is their home, and we are just visitors. Then comes the part most people come for, the Canopy walk. It's the longest in Africa, and trust me, it's not just a walk, it's a challenge. I didn't get a clip of myself crossing it. Honestly, I couldn't. I was too focused on breathing, balancing, and holding on. But I did capture others doing it, and the structure himself, suspended high above the tree. It was terrifying but freeing. Sometimes you just have to do it scared. At the first tour, you get a choice, go on or walk away. But once you reach the second tour, that is the point of no return. Whatever is ahead, you have to face it. Close to the canopy is the family park, a space that brings out your inner child with floor games and laughter all around. You can grab a snack or something to eat while soaking in the atmosphere. The fish pond felt like a therapy. Calm ripples, the sound of water, and just enough stillness to come back to yourself. I spent a few quiet minutes there, and watching the fish reminded me there is peace in simplicity. Experience like this remind us why African Grants Connect exists. This land holds life. Don't forget to subscribe to African Grants Connect for more nature-led stories from Africa.